Hey YouTube, pretty simple and easy video for this Friday's short video. I normally put the car on 2 jack stands and a floor jack so I could easily rotate and move the tires. Let's get them set up. We got the tires on there. Make sure to follow the instruction manual. The front ones go into the back for my car. The back ones will crisscross into the front. But my winter tires are directional tires, so the winter tires will always stay on the same side. Also check what your lug nut torque is. Mine is 88.5, and I have this one set to pretty close to 88.5. Video 51 done.